Introducing the CodeHS AP CSA Hub. The best place to keep track of the most up-to-date resources we have available here at CodeHS is with the AP CSA Hub, available at codehs.com/app/APCSA_hub. This guide lists different resources to help teach, practice concepts, and prepare for the AP exam. All the resources on the AP CSA Hub are free to all teachers. Through this course, you will be doing a deep dive into each of these resources to see what is available and how to implement them in your class. Through the AP CSA Hub, you will dive into the CodeHS curriculum for AP CSA, the tutorials, question of the day, our review course, the FRQ Center, AP Labs, and our digital textbook. In the next activity, you will have the opportunity to browse and peruse our AP CSA Hub and share with us which resources have captured your interest.